Zen Insights presents
The Future of AI. What experts predict for the next decade. The future is here. And it's AI. From self-driving cars to voice-activated virtual assistants, artificial intelligence is changing the way we live and work. But what does the future hold for this rapidly evolving technology? Join me as we explore the predictions of experts in the field and discover the exciting advancements on the horizon. 1. Advancements in natural language processing. One of the most exciting areas of AI development is natural language processing, or NLP. This technology allows computers to understand and process human language, making it possible for virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to respond to our requests. And the future looks even brighter, with experts predicting that NLP will become even more advanced, allowing us to have even more seamless and natural conversations with our digital devices. 2. The rise of autonomous systems. Another exciting development in AI is the rise of autonomous systems. From self-driving cars to drones, AI is making it possible for machines to operate on their own, without human intervention. And as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated autonomous systems in the future, including everything from flying taxis to delivery robots. 3. AI-powered healthcare. The healthcare industry is another area where AI is making a big impact. From diagnostic tools that can detect diseases early on to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual patients, AI is transforming the way we approach healthcare. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting advancements in this field, including everything from AI-powered surgeries to virtual health assistants. 4. AI in business. Finally, AI is having a huge impact on the business world. From automating mundane tasks to providing valuable insights and data-driven decision-making, AI is helping companies become more efficient and effective. And as AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more ways that AI will transform the business landscape in the coming years. In conclusion, the future of AI is incredibly exciting, with new advancements and possibilities emerging all the time. From natural language processing to autonomous systems, from healthcare to business, AI is changing the world in countless ways. And as AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking developments in the years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.